Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ona Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to be making tofu breakfast scrambler. Heat oil in a large skillet and add onion. Saute for a few minutes until it starts to soften. Add the carrot and red bell pepper and continue to cook for 3 minutes. Then add the cumin and oregano and heat a few minutes more. Crumble the tofu into the pan, sprinkle the turmeric, salt and pepper, and mix in well. Add peas and cook until heated through. Serve topped with cilantro or green onions. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.